So how do you come up with a website idea? Well, either Grant gives you instructions on what they need on the website, or you come up with your own idea, then develop websites. So we look at a few examples. One of them is blogging, is e-commerce, affiliate marketing, portfolio websites, company websites, support websites, software where people can come in and download softwares or gather information about a certain software. Music and videos website where people can view, play, or download or buy. Drop shipping. There's also beauty, fitness websites. There's recipes. The social media sites. A web service is where you expose company data to third-party systems for integration. There's online learning websites. Online orders where you can provide services to your clients to be able to buy items online. It could be food, it could be online, it could be food or anything that is sold online. Just provide a channel where they can access these items. It could also be a website to share coupons, a discussion forum, stock market, research and analysis website. This could be sports or any data. An elections website, sports website, either commentary or live update. Then there's a traffic update website, a school website, a shop or a supermarket, which has an online presence. It could be an automobile website. Alerts where you set specific alerts, say something's happening somewhere, you just post alerts, then people can come in and lead and comment. A website for pets, a lifestyle website, crowd hosting,